Hi, I'm Pete McDonald with Boating Magazine. Welcome aboard the Viaggio Lago 22S. It's a really popular pontoon boat because, as you can see, it's got a ton of great amenities for a really nice price. The S in the name stands for Swingback, which means it has this adjustable backrest right here. The Swingback adjusts to 3 different positions: forward and aft facing, a rear facing recliner lounge, and a full-on sun pad. The stainless steel gate keeps you protected when you're in the back of the boat, whether you're running or at rest. I really like this fiberglass Helm console. It's ergonomically designed, so you have a lot of room for your feet. It's got a toe kick. The gauges are laid out really nicely. You can see everything perfectly. Everything's easy to access. And there's a tilt steering wheel, so you can adjust to your preference. A Rockford Fosgate stereo system comes standard on the boat. Viaggio is known for its really comfortable furniture, and this boat is no different. The vinyl is acrylic coated, so you don't have to worry about sun damage or pinking or getting mold on it. The couch cushions have hands-free hinges, so there's easy access to all your storage. One really nice touch is the gray teak woven vinyl flooring. It's easy to clean, super comfortable, and it looks great. With all of these great features, the Viaggio Lago 22S gives you a great bang for your buck. For Boating Magazine, I'm Pete McDonald.